Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. This is Angelo's newest listing priced at $829,000, featuring a 2-story home with 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car tandem garage, totaling 3,824 square feet. This special house includes a first-floor primary bedroom, plantation shutters, a high ceiling, a covered patio, and a backyard fire pit. The seller is offering a $10,000 incentive to lower the buyer's interest rate. For $133 monthly, the HOA and master plan fee cover amenities such as a gated entrance, access to the community pool, parks, fitness center, clubhouse, splash pads, basketball court, and playgrounds. Conveniently located near Skye Canyon Marketplace, this property provides easy access to various stores, dining options, professional services, and more. Before we begin the tour, let me guide you on how to reach Evergreen at Skye Canyon from the Bellagio Fountain. These are the amenities available at Evergreen at Skye Canyon. Schools: Edmundo Eddie Escobedo Senior Middle School, Kenneth Divich Elementary, Arbor View High School. Grocery stores: Las Vegas Farmers Market at Skye Canyon, Smith's Marketplace, Albertsons. Health and fitness: Skye Fitness, Planet Fitness. Hospitals: ER at Skye Canyon, Centennial Hills Hospital. Pet care: Canyon Pet Hospital, Island Pet Hospital. Welcome to this beautiful home. As you enter, notice the stylish roof, pathway to the 3-car garage, and front porch. Inside, find an open living room, office, coat closet, and half bathroom. The main area connects the living room, kitchen, and dining with a high ceiling. The upgraded kitchen has quartz countertops and white cabinetry. On the right, past the kitchen, discover the laundry and access to the 3-car garage. The first-floor primary bedroom includes an en-suite spa shower. Upstairs, a flexible loft and 4 bedrooms await. Two with a shared bathroom and 2 with individual bathrooms. Bedrooms feature 8-foot doors and walk-in closets. Step into the inviting backyard with a covered patio, fire pit, and lush greenery for a tranquil retreat. Angelo's latest listing includes a $10,000 seller incentive. To tour this home, contact Angelo at 725-287-5242. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up to stay updated on Angelo's latest listings and home tours. Thank you for watching.